In the pantheon of the fashion world, Chanel stands amongst the legendary brands known for its haute couture, fragrance, jewelry, and even watches. This is what happens when some of the best designers in the fashion industry is tasked to showcase what they can do in the world of high-end watchmaking, while infusing Chanel's unmistakable identity. This is the Chanel J12 Paradoxe. Designer Notes Subject 113. Launched back in 2000, the J12 is the culmination of 7 years of development that's aimed to deliver a watch line with beautiful and timeless curves for the modern watch enthusiast. While many fashion brands focus on just the visual appeal of a timepiece, the J12 is a masterclass in combining high-tech manufacturing and craftsmanship. Like, comment, and subscribe for content you'd like to see next. Follow us on Instagram at SanityLeaRuba for behind-the-scenes content. Email us at thesanitylearuba@gmail.com. This video is brought to you by Shiva's Gold and Gems. The J12 has the desirable diameter of 38mm that's perfect for both men and women. The thickness is 12.6mm, reminiscent of modern sports watches. This particular model sports a screw-down crown and is protected with 50 meters of water resistance. The movement is the custom caliber 12.1 that features 70 hours of power reserve and beats at 28,800 vibrations per hour. These features are housed in a beautiful ceramic case, bracelet, and well, pretty much the whole watch. Chanel has been known for using exotic materials for their products, and the J12 is the flagship of their watch collection that sports their ceramic manufacturing capability. This is a true full ceramic watch, clearly visible from the unique silky sheen on the case and bracelet. Chanel ceramics are highly scratch resistant and has a similar tactile feel of sapphire on your skin. It's luxury and durability done right. This bracelet comes with a Chanel signature clasp that's very nicely finished with gorgeous mirror polishing and bead blasted parts. This also has a spring-loaded clasp mechanism. It's an ingenious butterfly enclosure that's quite easy to close, yet secure to wear. Its design creates an extremely thin profile while proving to be fingernail friendly when disengaging. On the wrist, it's very convenient to close, making it perfect for your pick-up-and-go lifestyle. It's a seamless execution of the clasp with no visible buttons that usually plague other watches. It's a great visual appeal from great mechanical engineering. This engineering proficiency is seen also on the application of two different colors of ceramic. Yes, that's two different ceramic pieces that form the case. This seamless application is also visible on the dial and bezel. The case is forged using two different cases, cut and fused together. The dial, however, is a white ceramic dial that has a black coating applied on top. The bezel, on the other hand, is a black ceramic with a white coating that's framed on a lovely finished steel bezel. Aesthetically, it's already impressive to wear and look at, but operating the movement is equally noteworthy. It's a breeze to unscrew the crown and wind the movement. It's a good solid click for the first step, to set the date that's at the 4:30 o'clock position. The second step of the crown will hack the seconds hand and smoothly set the hour and minute hands. It's a proper Swiss movement that quickly changes date the moment that the time passes the 12 o'clock mark. This watch not only competes with well-known brands, but excels in craftsmanship with flying colors. Under close examination, the craftsmanship is in clear display. The dial has a subtle sparkling surface that can only be achieved with a special ceramic process. Streaks of light beautifully runs not only across the fixed bezel, but also on the inside track of the dial. These mirror polished frames breaks the milky sheen of the ceramic surfaces, giving the watch its identity. A luxurious duality that's expertly executed. Take note of the high contrast indexes of the dial. These numerals are all ceramic elements installed over a ceramic surface. On certain angles, the light hits the inner track just right, paving the way for the hour hand. Just outside the dial is the rehaut that's interestingly decorated with the minute markers and some looped plots. The darker side of the watch also benefits from the light play as it hits the contrasting facets. Even the crown is adorned with this exotic material and finish. When flipped over, the same artistic attention is given to the display case back and of course that lovely movement. This Canisi manufactured movement is custom built with 191 parts topped off with an elegant Chanel rotor. This well-finished movement is built with the same care and refinement found in high-end brands such as Tudor. It takes 50 specialists to build a J12 Paradoxe, and their workmanship is beautifully featured in this Chanel-owned caliber. Each of these watches are sent to the Swiss Official Chronometer Testing Institute to ensure that it's not just a technically built timepiece, but it's actually a top-grade watch in accuracy. The name Chanel stood for many things artistic, beautiful, and unique. While many watchmakers strive to achieve the same in their field, Chanel boldly challenges them with the J12 Paradoxe. The real paradox here is not Chanel making watches. It's really the absurdity of not acknowledging that Chanel can. This elegant timepiece is available at Shiva's Gold and Gems.